Welcome to another exciting Tuesday episode of EATON Detroit Spring's 1 Minute Monday. When this heart-throbbing episode is done, you will know all there is to know about. We have a few tips about installing front coil springs. First, as you have heard us preach before, use a coil spring compressor. Remember, there's a heck of a lot of energy stored in that compressed spring, and if it were to suddenly let go, whatever gets in his way is gonna be hurt. Please don't let that be you. Be smart, go to your local auto parts store and rent a coil spring compressor. Then, once the new springs have been installed, wait until she is sitting on the ground with the wheels and tires she will be riding on before tightening up all those nuts and bolts. This will help prevent any binding. Also, if she is equipped with the sway bar, take it loose at both ends. Failure to do so has been known to make her set too high. Then, take her out for a test drive and drive her like you stole her, and let those springs take a good seat. Then, cruise to the local Dairy Queen and reward yourself. Let us know just how much you enjoyed this video by hitting the like button. And by hitting the subscribe button, you will not miss any of our upcoming highly educational videos. And finally, when you are ready to get your American-made leaf and coil springs, head over to www.EATONDetroitSpring.com. Thank you, and who else do you know who we can help?